Today we're going to take a quick look at the Llano camera combo cage for the Insta360 X5 360 camera. So this is a cage that is designed to add some extra functionality to your Insta360. So what comes in the box is the cage and the manual, and a cover for the lenses. So the cage itself is made out of an aluminum alloy. So it's a nice lightweight metal case. It's really sturdy. I mean, I can barely flex the sides and they're open, as you can see, but you know, this is a strong case. It has a knurled knob here at the top, and that's what you unscrew so that you can unfold the cage so that you can insert the camera. So it's got a hinge here on the side. And what else does it have? Now, if I get up close, can you see that? It's foam. And there is a piece here on the other side too. See that? That is wind. It's like a wind guard for the microphones that are on Insta360 on either side. You also get a cold shoe here and here, where you can add different things like, I don't know if you would want to, but you could add a microphone like this little Joby microphone. So I can add this here to the side or the top. Let me show you really quickly. See? So you could add that to the top. Like I said, I'm not sure you really want to use something like this when you can get Insta360's own little microphone. You also have a threaded socket here on the bottom if you want to put this on a tripod. And you got one here too, so you can mount it vertically or horizontally. I will show you that here in a second. So you install it and make sure that the battery compartment is lined up with this bigger cutout here. So you just slide it in place and then push it down. Make sure it's firmly seated. And then you just screw down this knob and you're all set. Now, while it's in the cage, you can still remove the battery if you need to. You know, say your battery ran out and you need to put a new one in, you can still get to it and you could still put a new one in, no problem. And you have access to the power button, and you have access to the menu button, and you have access the USB-C charging port, and you still have the little notches here at the bottom for Insta360 accessories. For example, I have this little connector here that I purchased, and it still fits in here just fine, just like that. Now you can use this on a tripod like this. So if you want to use it vertically, you can screw it in there and you can use it vertically. And if you want to use it horizontally, you put it on the other side, just like this. And then you can use it horizontally. And another extra feature is that this base is magnetic. So you could put this on a metal table or cabinet and it won't fall over. And you can also mount it sideways, but the magnet isn't super strong, so I kind of wouldn't do that if it was me. And while it's in the case, when you're done using it, all you have to do is just put this included cover over the top and your lenses are protected. So people might be wondering, does this cage get in the way of Insta360 footage where the two images from each camera are stitched together in a 360 video? Well, let's find out. This example shows that the cage doesn't really cause any problems with the 360 footage and the stitching of the two lenses. So that's a plus. So when it comes down to it, I think that the llano aluminum cage for your Insta360 could be a cool accessory if you need some cold shoes, two cold shoes, not extra because your Insta360 doesn't have any to begin with. If you need two cold shoes for accessories, and you need a horizontal tripod socket, I think that it could be an interesting accessory. But if you think that you were going to use this magnetic base for anything, I would think again. I would not trust that. But it is easy to use. As you can see, it's easy to get it on and off. So that there is that. And it's well made. It's pretty sturdy. It's not going to break. It's really sturdy that way. And I do like the wind reduction foam here on each side. So there you go. It's pretty nice.